in the interest of sovereignty, integrity, and direct the principles of the policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will not allow my personal interest that in all circumstances I will do right for all manner of people according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my jurisdiction or shall be known to me as Commissioner of your State, except as may be required for the discharge of my duties as Commissioner of your State. So help me God.
So there's nothing joyful to somebody other than that your state calls you and you give your best. It's very, very key. This is Satnat, our tenure, and you know that at the last appointees, at the last batch of people who were working in this administration, more is required of you. When you are appointed, you need to come and take off. It's difficult. When you are also living, it's difficult. So you have to put all the records together. And everybody should, as a matter of fact, put the records of their various ministries. If you won't wait till May 29, 2023, no. You have to start now, since administration started in 2015, what we have done, and so that, by grace of God, when the new person comes, it will be unlike me, where I didn't get any handover note. By grace of God, the new person will have a handover note. Everything we have done, all the records, what we have bought, from ministry to ministry, you have to start now to start comparing them. I don't want to hear a situation where, there's no time, there's plenty of time. You don't need to wait for the last day. That's why most things it becomes difficult for people. And let me also say that let nobody deceive you to say he was in charge or he lobbied for you. There's nothing like that. Yes, sometimes the way God works is miraculous. You will never know that while people are discussing, they can ask questions, what about this guy? How is he? So I want to assure you that what we require here is total loyalty, not half, not 99.0% no. If you don't want to work for administration, you come out clearly and say, I don't want to serve this administration. But while you are into it, you have no choice but to carry out all the directives given to you by by bosses, as the case may be. It's not whether you like it, if you don't like it, you have a right to throw in the towel and give another person opportunity. We're doing this because we want to be careful in this our last lap to see that we don't make a lot of mistakes. So once more, let me congratulate you with their background. Looking at your resume, you will see that if you want people to help you serve in the state, you bring people who are competent, whose names are known. So when the appointer is looking at it, he'll say, you have no choice. Not this one here we have as a minister. I've never seen an embarrassment like that in my life. I've never seen an embarrassment like that in my life. Yes, you must appoint those who are loyal, but educated people are also loyal. It has never happened in our state. It has never happened. Everything cannot be played with politics. The image of the state is key. When the person goes to reference to the council, the person, they'll say, where is he from? How can he raise his hand and talk? You know he can't talk there. We're not talking about talking here. We're talking about reference to the council. That you are for River State, that when you make a contribution, they will know that you have to know, yes, you are worth it. I've never seen how the state has gone to. Somebody can bring the law you have for your state is to present such a candidate. Yes. That We have completed most of the projects, and from the first week of August, we'll start another round of commissioning that may last us for another 2 weeks. So once more, congratulations and God bless you.